Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Kenyan style sagaa, also known as spider plant, and it's going to be a very easy recipe with minimal ingredients, and the outcome is going to be spot on. Sagaa, also known as spider plant, is very common here in Kenya, especially during rainy season because it grows everywhere. You can also do large-scale farming if you're looking to sell sagaa. So over here, I have a bunch of sagaa. Sagaa has lots of vitamin A and C, which our body needs on daily-to-day basis, and it's high in beta-carotene, folic acid, which pregnant women need, and also it has lots of minerals. So let's get straight into cooking. So over medium flame, you're going to place a pot and add in 2 cups of water. Make sure to wash your sagaa for around 2 to 3 times to get rid of the soil that is stuck on the leaves. So because mine is ready, I'm going to get straight into boiling my sagaa. So I'm going to transfer into my pot. This is a recipe for around 2 people. The sagaa seems a lot, but it will wilt down to around a cup or 2. Once done transferring your sagaa in the pot, you're going to wait for the pot to come to a boil, and that is going to take around a minute or 2. And then you're going to let the sagaa boil for around 3 to 5 minutes. This is how my sagaa is looking after 5 minutes, and it's well cooked. So the next step is to add in some flavor to our sagaa. So I'm going to pick another pan. Transfer my saucepan aside, and over medium-high flame, I'm going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add in 1 large onion. Saute until the onion has a nice golden brown color. That is going to take around a minute. You're going to drain water from the sagaa, and this is how the sagaa is looking after draining the water. It has softened up and everything is looking perfect. So I'm going to be adding in some seasoning to my pan. So I'm going to add in some salt, around half a teaspoon of salt. The salt is going to help the onions to brown really fast because it will drain water from the onions, and they're going to soften up very fast. Once your onions have browned just like this, you're going to add back your sagaa into the pan carefully. Then I'm going to stir in my sagaa into the delicious well-seasoned onions. And then you're going to cook for around 2 minutes. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to add in more salt. Over here, I have some milk to add into my sagaa, which is going to make the sagaa very creamy and delicious. Browning the onions is going to add in so much flavor to your sagaa, so don't keep on browning the onions. I'm going to check if my sagaa is perfectly seasoned. You can see how delicious the sagaa is looking. So at this point, I'm going to add in a 1/3 cup of milk. Cook the sagaa about a minute so that it can absorb in all the creaminess from the milk. Once your sagaa is ready, you're going to put out the flames. And the sagaa is going to be very well seasoned and delicious. You can serve sagaa over some soft ugali and some buttermilk, and it's going to be an amazing lunch or dinner. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy recipe, which is going to turn out mouth-watering.